Attorney Septo A. de la Cruz Seso III, to our honorable guest speaker, Senator Christopher Lawrence Bontigo, to the hardworking college administrator designee, Dr. Eden B. Rivera, our Dean, Dr. Annalita Pisadwester, to our teaching and non-teaching personnel, and to the proud parents, student, fellow graduate, guests, greetings to you all. I am Mary Iris from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies, and it is my honor to stand here in front of you. As we gather today to celebrate a momentous occasion, I'd like to take a moment to share a story that has profoundly inspired me and shaped my perspective. I believe this story will resonate with many of you as it has with me, and it offers a valuable lesson that I think I worth reflecting upon. Let me allow you to join on a big journey into the heart of timeless Hill, a story that served as a beacon of motivation and resilience. When we started studying in elementary grades, my mother started working as a lavandera so that my siblings and I could study. Naranasan namin na magtinda ng mga kakanin habang nag-aaral para mapunan yung mga pangangailangan namin. At sa murang edad, tinuruan kami ng magulang namin na maging madiskarte na sa ngayon ay napakalaking tulong sa bawat isa sa amin. In an unexpected moment, someone said to my mother, "Dapat nakatapos yan mga ibin mo na parelamay. Dapat nakatapos yan mga ibin mo na laban sa mga." Until I grow up, I never forgot those words. But we are not bad at that time, so medyo nasaktan lang kami ng slide. So, we told ourselves that we can prove to ourselves and to others na hindi lang nandito lang ang bawat kakayahan ng bawat isa. Gusto kong magpasalamat, so despite sa mga sinabi nila, gusto kong magpasalamat na dahil sa kanila, binigyan kami ng rason para maging matatag at magkaroon ng pangarap sa buhay. Now, I am proud to say na papapat na ako sa mapapatapos ng magulang ko sa kolehiyo sa batay sa kanilang pamamaraan. Thank you, ma'am. I salute you both. As we move forward this day, remember that even in the most challenging and discouraging moment, there is a potential for growth and motivation. Embrace those negative experiences as responsibility to learn, adapt, and emerge stronger. Today, we celebrate not just an academic milestone, but a journey filled with growth, challenges, and triumphs. As you stand at the threshold of a new chapter, take a moment to reflect on how you've come from and the remarkable achievement you've made along the way. When we first walked through this college door, we were filled with excitement, uncertainties, and dreams that seems both distant and achievable. Think back to those late nights filled with studying, the pressure of deadlines, and the moment when everything seems overwhelming. Remember the times you struggled with difficult course